Hello, welcome to this channel. In today's video, I will show you overview of OBS Studio when installed for the first time. So to start using OBS, you need to install on your desktop by downloading it from their website and install on your desktop. And after that, when you install on your desktop, you click on the icon on the desktop. And bear in mind, OBS is an open source software that is free, that you can use it. When you launch OBS for the first time, it will prompt you to configure the usage information. You can specify to use OBS to stream or recording, or you can specify OBS to be used only for recording. After, when you click on next, it will prompt you to choose video setting, the video quality that you want to use when live streaming from OBS. Then you choose your desired video settings or desired video output that you want. Then you click next. When you click next, it will prompt you to give the streaming information. Here you specify the streaming information, the secret key or streaming key that you use to stream live on any social platform that you want to stream live. You can choose Facebook, YouTube, then you key the streaming key. Again, when you open OBS for the first time, you will find two screens. You will find preview and programs. You use the preview or the video that you want to live stream to social media platform by transition from preview to program. When you transition from preview to program, you can use it as live feed. Have preview to preview your live streaming and program what is in preview. You transition it to program to stream it live. You can choose cut, you can stream the transition settings. In OBS, we have sources here. You can choose the images that you want to use. In OBS, you can choose the audio that you want to use and video that you want to use at sources tab. Here is the preview. If I want to live stream it, I click on transition to go to program view. In OBS, we have start streaming. Here, if you want to stream live, you click on start streaming to stream live from OBS. Then you have start recording to start recording, and we have switch mode. You can switch the screen to single view, or you can switch the screen to multiple view. And when you go to setting, you will find all the necessary settings that you need to configure OBS to work. We have audio, video, hotkeys, and general setting in OBS. Okay, you can choose file. Then you go to setting, you will find the same setting, general, and all the necessary that you need. And we have scene transition. Here you can specify the transition time, and you can choose transition to fade or go straight. Again, we have audio input. Here you input the audio settings, and we have source, and we have scenes. Here you can use it to set your OBS scenes. You can rename, you can create scenes. When you create scenes, you create a source in the scene to preview it to life. Then you go to file, you find the necessary configuration that you needed. Edit, you go and view, you find the necessary. You can duplicate the scenes, you can import, you can export profile. You go to profile, then you have scenes collection. You use it to manipulate the scenes that you want. You can duplicate the scenes, you can rename it, you can import and export scenes in the scenes menu. And we have choose menu that you use to configure the necessary configuration, the output and all the necessary to maintaining this scene. Thank you for watching this video. Please kindly subscribe to this channel to receive an update by clicking the bell icon.